Samsung put a 3.4-inch cover screen on last year's Galaxy Z Flip5, which is a huge upgrade over the Z Flip4 and Z Flip3's tiny 1.9-inch screen. But unfortunately, it was beaten by Motorola that gave a 3.8 screen. A new rumored spec sheet from the reliable leakster at the rate of the Gallop suggests that the upcoming Flip 6 will have an even larger 3.9-inch outer screen. The new rumor suggests that Gorilla glass armor protection will be used for the updated screen. Samsung is expected to go with a 6.7-inch main screen and improved hinge and internal layout for a bigger cooling system. The foldable will come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset with 12 GB of RAM for the first time. The back will feature a pair of 50 megapixel main sensor and 12 megapixel ultrawide sensor. Samsung will offer Galaxy AI features and 7 years of software and security updates like the S24 series. The Flip 6 will get a larger 4000 mAh battery, which is a welcome upgrade over the Flip 5's 3700. It will be announced in July along with Fold 6 and Galaxy Ring, but this increase in battery size is still lower than what Oppo and Huawei will give in their foldable phones.